Hey, Tech Life Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to customize fonts in Canva. So before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, which really helps me out. So customizing fonts is a great idea on your designs to make them really stand out and be your own, whether you're creating marketing materials or social media posts. A really cool font will catch people's eyes. So let's get started. So I'm going to click on a template. I'm going to search for an Instagram template, and I'm going to choose something that I can edit the font on. So let's have a look. Again, you can open up a design that you already have or choose a template like I'm doing. So I'm going to customize this template. So I'm going to click on that tab and this template will open. So you can create designs from scratch and just add in your own text, or you can use a template like this. So it already has a font chosen. I mean, a lot of these templates, they have fonts chosen that go really well, so you don't always need to edit them. But if you have a font in mind, all you need to do is click onto the text, click into the font section and scroll through to find your font. If you know what it's called, type that into the search bar and you can search for your font. If not, just have a scroll through and have a look. Say if you want something with a little bit more sort of thicker lines, maybe that, and then you will have to adjust the size. So I can adjust the size there by clicking on the writing and reducing the size. And then you can add in things like effects. So by clicking on the effects tab, I can add things like drop, which is sort of like a bit of a shadow, and I can change the color of the shadow. I can add glow, an echo. So all these different effects will make your text stand out, which is what you need when you're marketing a business or posting on social media. You can add like an outline, and I can change the color of that outline to something a bit brighter, or whatever my brand colors are, things like that. So have a play around with those, and you can even add just like a little background like that. And again, you can change the colors and sort of edit the transparency to make it brighter or darker, neon, glitch, hollow. There's so many different types of effects you can use. And you can also add edits like an animation, which will be really cool for social media. So again, click on the text, click on animate, and these effects, animation effects, will really make your text stand out on social media and catch people's eye when they're scrolling. So you can hover over each one and it will show you what it looks like. So typewriter, ascend, shift, merge, block. So as you can see, they're all really cool and they all make the text pop just a little bit more, which is what you want. So choose, when you're happy you've chosen one, just click on it and that will be added to your design. And that's how you edit fonts and customize fonts in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.